What's up guys, Babatunde Motao here, and today's video we'll be talking about the unboxing and first impressions of the Oraimo Watch GT. This is a new smartwatch coming from Oraimo Smart Accessories, and it has been launched in Morocco and some other countries. Now we have it here in Nigeria. Now I have to tell you that Oraimo has included some features that we are yet to see in any other smartwatch they have released so far. The first one is the 6-star GPS tracking, which I'm going to be testing out in my full review video, and 3 ATM waterproof rating. So I don't have to be worrying about my watch going into water to certain depths. I'm sure it is covered. I know some of you will want to ask me this question in the comment section, that what about this guy here, the Oraimo Watch Pro NT? Guys, I have to be sincere with you. I've been testing this guy for about 2 weeks now. It's even more than 2 weeks. Yeah, I just finished the testing of the standby mode, and it lasted me for 12 days. 12 days on standby mode. And you can see that is why my review takes a long time to make. I always test my stuff. I'm not like some other people that just, do the video and just tell you this is what it does. And I personally test it, use it in my everyday to-day life, and I'll come and tell you this is what I noticed. Okay, and in fact, I still use it after then. So if you are asking me a question after I've dropped the video, I'm still going to tell you how it goes. Thank you so much for listening to that rant. If you order yours right now, go to Oraimo shop website. You are going to notice that it comes with a gift, a free gift, and that is the Oraimo FreePort Neo. You guys know that this guy is one of my best budget-friendly earbuds that I recommend. Aside from the sound 360 spatial audio that is not really good, every other thing about this guy, because of the price point, is good. It's like above average. Yeah, I can tell you that. Now, if you are buying this Oraimo Watch GT, you are going to get it for 139,000. Before you rush over to Oraimo eShop website, let me tell you this. If you go to Oraimo eShop website, you are going to get it for 139,000 naira. If you use my discount code, you are going to get it for lesser price. You are going to get 5% discount off. Now, this guy worth 21,000 naira. That is 20,900 naira last time that I checked it. Right now, if you use my discount code and calculate the gift and the discount code discount, you are going to get this guy for around 111,000 naira. Yes, 111,000 naira, around that price. From 139,000 to 111,000 naira. Man, that is a big discount. I'll be testing the health features and every other thing in the full review video. Without wasting much of your time, let's unbox this guy quickly. Let's see what's inside the box and share with you my first impressions. Let's get down to business. Now at the table, let's unbox this Oraimo Watch GT. It says, your adventure perfectly tracked. I like that. Wireless HD calling, and by the side here it comes with some features like 1.43 AMOLED screen, 3 ATM waterproof rating, heart rate and blood oxygen monitor, 6-star GPS tracking with the Oraimo Authentication Center down here. And at the back of it, you are going to see the Oraimo Health app and the specification of the Oraimo Watch GT. It also comes with AI watch faces, so you can generate AI watch faces on the Oraimo Health app with 365 days warranty right there for you. And also it comes in dark chrome, which you can see here. The other side says sold in 60 plus countries, trusted by 200 million plus users, 365 days warranty, and nothing else. Underneath, there's nothing, and at the top, nothing else. So let's open this guy up. Just like the Oraimo Pro NT, this guy has nice packaging. Okay, you have to slide it this way. Oraimo here. Now you can see the watch itself. Looks nice. First of all, we are greeted with this discover endless possibility and keep exploring pamphlet. I don't know what's inside here. It says open. Okay, that is the user manual first. So that is also called welcome guide. You can go through that if you want to go through that and get yourself familiar with everything in the box. That's first. Secondly, we have these protectors. That is the glass protector for your smartwatch. Thank you, Oraimo, for including this, so you can use it to wipe it and stick the protector on it. Now the next thing is a charger, a proprietary charger. It comes with two this time around. Two chargers. That's good. Thank you, Oraimo, for including two chargers. So let me quickly show you how the charger looks like. So we have this kind of charger with 2 points. Okay, USB-A to this proprietary charger. Not bad. The next item here is the extra straps. We have this silicone strap. I can feel it already. It's a silicone strap. Nice one. Or you call it rubber strap. A silicone strap, actually. Okay, just looks like leather strap. Actually, it is silicone. And the next one is another silicone strap. Just different design. As you can see, looks nice, not bad. And to the main product. So I'm going to unbuckle that for it to come out. The strap is, I think this is a leather strap, not silicone strap actually. Not silicone designed. It's kind of like a leather strap. As you can see here, it's a leather kind of strap. Okay. It comes with a nice one. And this is the back view of the Oraimo Watch GT. Nice. Looks beautiful. And here we go. Wow. So this is how it looks like, guys. As you can see, these are not real buttons. These are just for fancy. Nothing here. Okay. Nice design. You can see the watch face. Looks nice. And it comes with 3 dials or 3 buttons here. So let's turn it on. This for the power. It's coming on. Showing Oraimo English. It says you should scan this. Oraimo Watch GT. Nice one. Does this work? Okay, the crown is working. That's good. So let me quickly connect this guy up and see the user interface so that you guys can know if it's something you like or not. Let's launch our Oraimo Health app and skip here. Okay. As you can see, our Watch GT is connecting. Pair successfully showed up here. Nice. I like how the notification pop. So bind successfully. Now it is synchronizing. Guys, I can say from the look of things, these guys look cool. Look at it, guys. Looks nice. Wow, this looks nice, guys. Awesome. So quickly, let's go and see what's inside. It's almost charged. This is 96%, so I don't need to charge it immediately. Now, swipe down. You are going to see the quick access to your menus. And this is the brightness, duration display. Let me set it to 60 seconds. Yeah, that's good. It comes with raise to wake, touch to light up screen, raise your wrist to wake. So I'm turning all this on. All right. So it comes with do not disturb mode. Settings, we have a lot of watch faces you can switch to, a lot of them if you want to go for it. So I think this works for that also. So let me put it in this green. This green looks nice too, aside from the red. You can also press hold this to switch back. All right, so that is that. Now that is for the drop down. You can also go to the settings here. Always on display is available on it. You can customize it. Once turned on, the battery life will decrease. Yes, I know that. So it shows style selector, just 2 always on display watch faces. It comes with this. And it comes with this. I think I like this. Okay. Schedule all round time. All right. Don't worry about that. a lot of stuff going on here. System menu, reboot time on, info, okay. It comes with palm screen off. All right, spot recognition, theme. You can also change the theme. You understand this theme? I think most of you understand what this theme means. So if you want cellular, that is when you go to your home, like this, you can see the cellular. This is the cellular type. Okay. So now, if you go back to your settings and go to the theme again, choose turbulence. Let's see turbulence. This is turbulence. Okay. Nice. Looks nice. And also, if you go back to your settings and pick another theme, that is the list. That is the default one that comes with it. So you are going to see the list. Okay. It also comes with Oraimo AI. I just saw that. I passed that right now. Oraimo AI. So you can see Oraimo AI. If you want to do that, it's also present on the Oraimo Watch Pro NT, the Oraimo AI. I think I showed you guys some time ago also. Oraimo AI is here. Oraimo AI is also here. So this is going to give you answers to your questions if you ask it. We are going to be showing you how to use that in another video and how it works. So let me go back, and I think that is pretty much it. Comes with message. I don't think you can reply with this guy, but I'm going to check it out. It comes with music. That's nice. It comes with heart rate, sleep tracking, SpO2, pressure, measure, breathing, exercise, watch faces. If you want to change your watch face, I think. Okay, that's good. Now, weather, you have weather on it. You have barometer, that is air pressure. You have alarm, clock, a lot of things on this guy. Remote camera, that is snap, calculator, nice calculator interface there. And it also comes with compass. It says you should calibrate this first. Maybe. All right, let's keep that for the full review. Find my phone. Oh, that's good. And flashlight. Okay, nice one. The other things you are going to see is the settings. You can see the settings here, and that is pretty much it. I like the user interface. That's it. I like the user interface. Very, very slick. I think it is even slicker than this Oraimo Watch Pro NT. Not that this is bad in any ways, but it is a bit slickier. And what else can I say about this guy? No notification yet. And these are the things I've opened, and this is for, your background apps. You can just remove that. And I think that is pretty much it. It didn't come with the Oraimo OS store. I think the OS stuff that Oraimo is creating now. I can't see that. This is what I mean. There is this settings on this Oraimo Pro NT. Let me quickly show you guys. So if you go to this Smart Store, the OS, powered by PSIM OS, you can see it's showing Smart Store. Now you can use it to download just 4 apps. I think there are about 4 or 5 apps. The Smart Store app is not here. I don't know why Oraimo didn't include it, but it's not a big deal actually. So it's just going to help you to download game into these 2 games, and this guy looks fantastic in the end. I can't even wait to try it out. As you can see, guys, it is beautiful. This is 22mm strap. So it's going to work for other 22mm strap. That is it. So grab your own from Oraimo eShop website. Don't forget to use the discount code BRACKET, and I'll see you on the next one. Please stay safe. Bye for now. Peace.